How to fold down your windshield on your Jeep Wrangler in 8 easy steps the right way. Number 1, the Freedom Top, Soft Top, and or Sky One Touch must be removed due to the windshield being right here. Number 2, grab your handy dandy Jeep toolkit out of the center console right here. We're gonna need 3 tools out of it. We're gonna need 1, 2, and 3. Take the instructions and remove them. Throw them away because they do not tell you everything you need to know about folding down the windshield. They're missing several steps. That's why you just subscribe to this channel. Number 3, remove the windshield wiper caps and bolts. You're gonna need these 2 tools to remove these bolts. Number 4, remove the windshield wipers. Number 5, flip down the sun visor so you can gain access to the 4 windshield bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 6, you're gonna need these tools to remove the 4 windshield bolts. Now you're gonna take the 4 bolts you just removed, open up the rear swing gate, and put them in this designated spot where it says windshield. Number 7, now you're gonna take the windshield and rest it down gently on the windshield pads that are mounted on the hood. Number 8, now you're gonna take the adaptive cruise control cover and mount it to the camera so that no bugs or debris can damage the camera. And that's how you take the windshield off to get the open air experience the right way.